basically for 200, 300 years, the locus of innovation has been organizations. The digital revolution, as we're experiencing, is now shifting this model. And the question is, do we even need the model that we currently have? Do we need organizations?
We moved to a world in which the half-life of a given skill has moved from about 30 years to about 5 years. And in fact, we used to build our organizational architectures, our HR departments, our talent organization teams, et cetera, around what you might call a world of push, where scalable efficiency was God. We looked at how to actually protect and deliver assets, stocks of assets, to a new world of flows. And I think it's fair to say that now we're moving from a world of scalable efficiency, a world of push, to basically a world of scalable learning. I'm going to call it a world of pull. How do you pull the resources you need on demand to learn to do things differently?
Some of you, and since this is probably an international audience, probably not all of you saw our system called Watson play the TV game show Jeopardy, but for those of you that did, we decided that an interesting grand challenge was, could we build a computer that impressed people as much as the Deep Blue chess machine did when it beat Garry Kasparov? That was the tipping point. It was just the beginning of a peak of what we think is a new era of computing, where instead of building programmable systems, we're talking about building systems that can learn. So you've probably heard us talk about cognitive systems.
The logic of economy has been flipped. It is no longer the logic of scarcity, it is the logic of ubiquity. You want to completely flood the market with a product. That sounds good, except that it doesn't make any sense from a business model standpoint. Because someone has to make money. If you make your product ubiquitous, the best way to do it is to make it for free. So the term business model became important because of the digital technology require people to rethink the fundamental economic logic.
We might just be walking into a new kind of Cambrian moment. The past as a solution set is no longer a viable option. We need a new tool set. And I would add, and perhaps a new mindset.